Buddy, you got an F-22 on your tail.
Oh God! Thanks, Miss Sally.
You're welcome.
There are F-35 and NGAD surrounding us.
Mommy, what should we do? I don't know.
Do you need help?
Yes, my babies are scared to be blown out of the sky.
What's going on? I don't know. They're too fast. I can't get fix on them. Take this. So long, idiot. Excellent work. And who are you? I'm Marceline, and this is my friend Ray. Take a look at our planes. Mine is the F-15XX Midnight Eagle, and Ray's plane is a F-18G Killer Hornet. Your planes are the Midnight Eagles and the Killer Hornets, huh? Welcome to the Poweranimals team.